Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Splitly experiments for affiliate landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring Splitly experiments for your affiliate landing pages, log into your Splitly account. Navigate to the dashboard where your existing experiments are listed. Identify the experiment you want to restore from the archive or completed section. Click on the experiment to open its details. Review the data and insights from the experiment to understand its past performance. If the experiment had significant results, consider the original goals. Locate the Restore option, which typically appears as a button or link within the experiment details. Click the Restore button to activate the experiment. You may be prompted to confirm the restoration. After confirming, the experiment will return to your active experiments list. Adjust any settings, if necessary, to refine the experiment parameters. Ensure that all the landing page elements are properly integrated and functional. Monitor the experiment closely once it's active to gather fresh data. Analyze the results regularly to assess performance and make informed decisions. If needed, you can pause or modify the experiment as it runs. Once the experiment concludes, review the comprehensive results. Use the insights gained from the experiment to optimize future landing pages. This process will help you effectively restore and improve your affiliate landing page experiments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.